Hey, I'm Brycen with Trick Tools, and this is the ProLine miniMAX. And the miniMAX is just a smaller fabricated version of an old school Pullmax machine. And just like a Pullmax, a miniMAX is a type of power hammer that can do beading, stepping, flanging, shrinking, planishing, and other various shaping projects. So just like a Pullmax machine, the miniMAX uses a reciprocating style hammering action. And a few of the things that set this machine apart are its small compact size, its mobility, being that it's built on a rolling pedestal base, so it can be used anywhere in the shop and then easily stowed in the corner when you're not using it. And this machine features a variable speed foot pedal control, so you can go slow, you can go fast, and anywhere in between. So we have a number of different tooling options available for the miniMAX. That's everything from a 3/16 to 7/8 bead dies, from 16th to 1/4 inch step dies. There's an adjustable flanging die as well as a 90-degree flanging die. There's these ProLine tooling adapters that allows the miniMAX to accept the ProLine Planishing Hammer tooling. We have steel thumbnail dies, plastic thumbnail dies, and if you're trying to create your own profiles, we have these dies that accept 1-inch Delrin plastic that allow you to cut your own profiles. If you look over here on the miniMAX, this rolling pedestal has a nice spot underneath to be able to hold all your tooling. For those who want to make your own tooling, we offer the ProLine tooling fixture that ensures that your shanks line up when you're going to weld on your custom-made profiles. It works by allowing you to clamp your shank material easily in the jig while lining up your profiles using the tooling rest in the middle of the fixture. So we have a couple of different fence options for the miniMAX. Right here is our rolling contour fence that allows you to easily roll around contours on the edge of your panel. We also have a straight fence option that when bolted on here allows you to easily run straight lines. With this contour fence, the mounts are easily adjustable. You loosen up these levers here, you can easily move this back and forth, as well as the bolts here, you can move it up and down to line it up with your tooling. Up here on the top of the miniMAX, we have our quick release lever. So when you pull this pin, move this back, it moves the tooling up and allows you to easily get your panel out of the machine. Now I'm going to show you how to quickly change tooling on the miniMAX. Now we're going to show you the machine operation, starting with our plastic thumbnail dies. You can see that the miniMAX can take care of a variety of different sheet metal shaping projects. This machine has an 18-inch throat depth and a 16-gauge mild steel capacity, and it also plugs into 110 power so you can plug it in virtually anywhere in your shop. All the tooling for the miniMAX is also available in all the different size Pullmax machines. If you're interested in a miniMAX, give us a call or visit our website at Trick-Tools.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on high-performance tools for the fabricator.